The Vivo Nex has just launched in India, which makes it the perfect time to take a look at what's inside the box. So without any delay, this is the box with the Nex written boldly in gold. On the back, it looks clean and minimalistic with 4 highlights. Ultra full view display, elevating front camera, Snapdragon 845 SoC, and the 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage on the unit that we have. Now upon opening the box, the Vivo Nex is neatly wrapped in a plastic. Fairly normal to look at inside the packaging. Now let's quickly unwrap it. The back looks quite elegant with the dual camera setup and the metallic Nex written right in the center. Let's boot it up. So it's booted into FunTouch OS welcome screen, and we'll get back to it after seeing what else is there in the box. Now let's slide this out. Okay, so there's a matching hard protective case bundled with the phone. Below that is the SIM eject tool. Then you have the usual quick start guide and warranty info. Finally, there's the USB Type-C charging and data cable, the charger, and finally a pair of bundled earphones. So here it is, all that you get in the box with the Vivo Nex. Now let's get back to the phone. There are a couple of things that stand out about the Vivo Nex. Firstly, its full screen, near bezel-less display, and of course the hidden front camera. The camera's built-in mechanism is quite fast and takes less than a second to pop out. The camera itself is an 8 megapixels and the rear dual camera setup is 12 megapixels. The display is 6.59 inch with a 19.3:9 aspect ratio, and it has an ultra full view AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2316 pixels. It's a dual SIM phone with FunTouch OS 4.0 that's based on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. All of this is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. So thanks for watching our quick unboxing of the brand new Vivo Nex, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.